Hello, my name is Alexander Demchenko. In this video I will show you how to buy RAIN product in Great Britain. Okay, you need to go to this website. The link will be below in the comment. You need to press flag, choose your country, United Kingdom, choose the language. So after that, if you want to be a customer, you need to press shop. If you want to be a partner of the company, you need to press join us. Let's see how to buy the product just to be the customer. Press shop. This internet shop is linked exactly to official website of RAIN International Company, so there is no any additional extra money you need to pay for this product. You see here the pictures, description of the product and price that is available in the United Kingdom now. You see one-time order and subscription. One-time order is just if you want to buy maybe one time per 3 months or 6 months. But if you press here subscription, you will get the minimum price for this product, but you need every month you need to buy this product from the company, so the money will be withdrawn from your card automatically, and the company will send the product to your address every month. But in this way you will get the lower price. Okay, so let's see the one-time order is just example. You can press on the picture, you can press add to cart. The procedure will be the same. Press on the picture. You see the description, you see the price, you can add the product. Proceed add to cart and wait till this green message will show up here, and after that you will see the figures here is changing. You need to press it and view cart. After that you can change the number here also. Proceed to checkout. Yeah, and the company suggests to you to create a new account. What is the profit to register for account? Of course you will get your own personal internet shop, and it will help you in the future to buy the product directly from the company. You don't need to surf internet to looking for the person who is selling this product. You just go directly to the website of the company, so you will have your personal internet shop, and moreover you will have also link for your internet shop, and you have the possibility to take part in special program for the customers. The company calls it 3+. What it means: when 3 persons buy the product from your internet shop, you will get the free product from the company. So this is the profit of register for an account. Okay, let's go to register. You need to put here your name. Let's just example. Of course you need to put your own. Here you need to put the real email that you have access to it, because if you will forget your password, you can recover it by your email. So put a real email here, and of course company will send you some promotion to your email. Your username, you can put it here, because to get access to your personal internet shop, you need to put your username that you put here, and password. Put that you will remember every time in the day or in the night. Okay. And submit registration. Okay, you need to put your street address, put the exact address where do you live, because the company will send you a product directly to your house. City. You can some district. Let's go to the. So what is here? London. Okay, zip code. Phone number you need to put in an international format. I will put my phone. And you need to press submit to this address. You can choose credit card or bank deposit. For the first time, I'm suggesting you to use bank deposit, and after that you can pay by credit card. So bank deposit, continue. You will see all details here and you will see the price. Okay. So the total shipping £5 with tax, so the cost will be £86. Yeah, place your order. Yeah. So you have the number for order invoice. You need to put in when you will pay for this order in bank deposit. And here is some instruction. So you will find all information here that's necessary to buy this product and to pay for it. Okay, and here you see account. So account setting. This is your personal account. Yeah. And here you see the link for your personal internet shop that you can send to the people, and they will buy product from you, and you have the possibility to take part in a special clients program. Okay, here is the menu, and you can check orders that you made already, and you see the program 3 and free. This is a special program for the customers. Here you will see how many people buy product through your internet shop, and here you will see the credits that company gives to you for these people, and based on these credits the company will send you a free product. So I wish you all the health for using this product, because it's very powerful really, and for almost 5 years that I'm using it, I get the perfect results. In my 49, I'm feeling like 20. That's amazing. See you later. Bye bye.